Today, we are going to warm up with a listening activity. Our learning target is, I can listen for middle vowel sounds in spoken one-syllable words, and I can blend and decode words with long and short vowels. Listen for and say the vowel sounds in the middle of the word. Let's look at the first picture card. Here is a picture of cake. Cake. What is the middle sound in the word cake? K, A, K. A. A is the sound in the middle. Let's look at this picture card. Fin. What is the middle sound in the word fin? F, I, N. The sound in the middle is I. I. Let's take a look at this picture card. Hike. Hike. What is the middle sound? H, I, K. The sound in the middle is I. Let's take a look at this last picture card. Mop. Mop. What is the middle sound? A, P. Mop. The sound in the middle is ah. Thinking back to these four words, which two words had a long vowel sound in the middle, and which two words had the short vowels in the middle? Cake and hike had long vowels in the middle. Fin and mop had short vowels in the middle.